Hello everyone, I am Dattatrenikam. Welcome you all our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is related to electrical engineering. Single line diagram, that is SLD part 24C. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created related to various topics of engineering and published on our channel eFunda as a separate playlist, and get those topic and understand the fundamentals. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, eFunda team has created membership option. Just press the join button and get the details of each type of a membership and start following our channel eFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is a single line diagram SLD part 24C. Introduction to single line diagram, that is a SLD. A single line diagram, also known as a SLD as an abbreviation or a one line diagram, is a simplified representation of an electrical system's symbols and lines are being used to represent the nodes and a connection in the systems, and the electrical characteristics may be included as well. One can refer to the picture for simplicity on understanding of a line diagram. What is SLD? A single line diagram is a simplified representation of electrical systems showing the main components such as a transformer, generator, breakers, loads with a single line. Instead, detail multiple conductors. It is used to or used for understanding the flow of electrical power and ensuring proper coordination between the components, as one can see into the picture, where starting from generating station, it is going to through the various components and then passing it to the transmission line. Further, it goes connected to the electrical substations. Simultaneously, further it is getting distributed to the various effective loads and connected to the new substation as well as the electrical substations. These are the system of a flow for single line diagram for passing the power supply to the respective loads or the consumers. Understanding of a single line diagrams. First is the purpose. SLDs provide a concise and easily understandable overview of an electrical system, making it easier to analyze and troubleshoot the problem. For that purpose, various kinds of symbols are being used. Second is the representations. They use a single line to represent multiple conductors or electrical path along with the standard symbol for various components like transformer, circuit breaker and generator, etc., which you can see into SLD symbols. The key features of single line diagram. Before that, one can refer single line diagram of a power supply system shown into the figure, where we'll see the details. Before that, we'll move to key features. First, simplified. SLDs focus on the essential elements and connections, omitting unnecessary details. Second, standard symbols. They employ a standardized set of symbols that are used universally, recognized by electrical engineers. Orientation. The orientation of a symbol doesn't change their meaning, and line width can use for emphasis. No physical location. SLDs don't represent the physical locations or the size of the equipment, as one can see into the second figure, starting from the AC generator, going ahead with a step up transformer which will change 11 kV to 220 kV, then goes primary transmissions where step down transmitters are being used, where the 220 kV reduced to 66 kV at the secondary transmission. then the receiving at the substation, further step down to the transformer from 66 kV to 11 kV, primary distributions, then goes to the substation and further HT consumers, as well as the pole mounted transformer, again which converts 11 kV into 415 volt, then secondary distributions to the load domestic consumers. This is how the power supply distribution is done by the electricity board, and it is represented in a simple format. That form is called as the single line diagram. Use cases. First, substation. SLDs are commonly used to represent the electrical systems of a substation. Second, power system analysis. They are a valuable tool for analyzing and understanding the behavior of electrical power systems. Third, emergency response. They can be used to create comprehensive emergency response plan. Similar to that, now examples. A typical SLD might show the incoming power source, transformer, circuit breaker and outgoing lines to all connected with a single line. A difference between multiple diagrams or multi-line diagram. Unlike single line diagram, multi-line diagram depicts each conductor separately, including a detailed information about their connections, wire sizes, color and type. These are the details of the single line diagram covered as part of understanding of a single line diagram. For better understanding, one can refer to the picture of a single line diagram, and we will study and discuss about the preparation or making of the single line diagram and their purpose. As you can see into figure, that is a three-phase wire, that is 11 kV line is tapped and brought to the gang operating switch, that is a geo switch, and the gang operated switch consists of the isolator which is connected to each phase of three-phase line. From geo switch, the 11 kV line is brought to the by cable, underground cable, to the substation, and then substation is further then connected to the high voltage primary side of the transformer, that is 11 kV by 400 volt via 11 kV oil circuit breaker, that is OCB, shown into the figure. The transformer steps down the voltage to 400 volt three phase 4 wire. A single phase residual or residential roads can be connected between any of these phase and the neutral. Then the three phase 400 volt motor load is to be connected across three phase line directly. Then the current transformer are located suitably in the substation and supply for purpose of the metering and indication. Then the secondary of the main transformer supplied to the bus bar through the main circuit breaker. From bus bar, 400 volt three phase 4 wire connections are taken out, that is a supply to customer via 400 circuit breaker, that is OCB. The voltage between these 2 points is 400 volt, and that between one phase and the neutral is a 230 volt. This is how the single line diagram is prepared for better understanding. Single line diagram output from the software is shown onto the screen, where the GIF image is being used, where one can see how the distribution is taken place from transformer, and further all individual lines are connected to the respective loads, and various types of components are being used so as to have the connected systems related to the equipment of the various HVAC systems, street lighting, control panel, floor, motor, pump, etc. This is how the single line drawing is being used, and it will be useful to have a various multiple benefits of this drawing.
With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline, get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our technical videos, so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page, and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.